Hi everyone. So in my today's video I'm going to show you how to use this Ambrane's mini vacuum cleaner cum blower. So in my last video I unboxed it and showed you like what items and products you get inside the box. But today I'm going to show you how to use it and how much effective this is for you for daily use. So let's on this product. So as you can see, the vacuum cleaner is started and I want to suck these papers and everything which is here. Okay, so as you can see, it perfectly cleaned everything and there is nothing left, right? So this is the vacuum cleaner side. Now if I want to blow it out, blow the dust or blow anything out, then you need to use the back side of this product, right? So let me quickly keep some dirt like this, right? Now if you want to blow this out, all you have to do is on this and then it will blow. It will blow. Yeah. Right. Now if I increase the power, then it will blow again. Yeah. And if you charge it once, then it easily lasts for 20 minutes or so, right? Depending upon like how long you're using it at a stretch. But I think it's good enough to clean your small uh, small surface inside the car or sofas or anything. So it's very helpful to clean any small area. And the material is used is quite durable, I would say. The plastic quality and the filter quality, the switch, everything seems very durable. So yeah, this is a review of it. Thank you.